In this episode of The Real Crimes of Kurri Kurri, we get an update on the defendants wanted by Kurri Kurri Local Court. Remember back in March when Kurri Court issued a warrant for a defendant who failed to show up? Maitland Local Court also issued a warrant for this same defendant for also not showing up there. Well, it's the end of April 2025 and I haven't seen the defendant reappear on the court list. So does that mean we can assume that they are still wanted? It wasn't spoken at court, so it's tricky to find out what's going on with that case. Also remember last time we discovered that there was a New Zealand driver who the court was also interested in. Well, it turns out he's living nearby and he turned up here at Kurri Kurri Local Court in late April. It's very hard to hear from the gallery, so I only managed to catch some of his backstory. His legal problem started when he was riding a motorbike, which his international licence doesn't allow him to ride in New South Wales. He managed to only travel a short distance before crashing. He also had some alcohol in his system and blew .164, which is over the legal limit. The New Zealander apologised, claims he made a bad decision and was not thinking. He is convicted and fined 1,100 Australian dollars and disqualified from driving any vehicle for 6 months. He will also have an interlock installed for 2 years if he gets his licence back. I noticed the magistrate spent some time explaining how the whole interlock situation works in New South Wales, as it was unclear how drink drivers are dealt with in New Zealand. The court order is printed out in an attempt to assist this New Zealand driver. I have no idea how the interlock condition is placed on an international licence. So after observing that case, I reckon if you're a New Zealander who's considering riding a motorbike around Kurri Kurri, it's probably best to be licensed, not crash, or be drunk, because things may get a bit complicated for you if you end up here at Kurri Kurri Local Court.